Have you ever wanted to know how to make a ringtone for your iPhone? Here's a really quick example of just how to do that. I go to www.zeege.net and you get this home page. You click on ringtones and you type in whatever you want. We're going to go with Zelda. You get all these options, but right now we're just going to click on the first one. Click on Get Ringtone and then PC Download. And start downloading. It's going to automatically play on my iPhone. But it's okay. So we're going to download, and we're going to drag that right onto the desktop. Then we're going to drag it into iTunes. We're going to type in Zelda so it comes up. So it's right here, Legend of Zelda. You're going to right click and create an AAC version. Which is right here. And you're going to drag that out of iTunes. And then you're going to want to delete both of these. Then over here where it says Legend of Zelda M4A, you're going to want to click that and change the A to an R. Now you're going to get prompted with this warning. Are you sure you want to change it? Use MP4 or M4R? Yes. Now, when you drag this back in iTunes, you can go to ringtones. It'll be right there. All you have to do is think it. Quick and easy, not as hard as people seem to think.